So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's vlog will be different. Will be some kind of different. So we will going to show a car, and yeah, let's go there. So so this is the baby. This is the car. So this is E280 CDI, not the compressor one, and this is the key for it. So this key has three buttons: lock, unlock, and yeah. And this is the 1 minute. Yeah, I will show you. Unlocked it. So I have opened the boot by just pressing the button on this key. So this is the third button which opens the boot of the car, which is very spacious because it's a family car, and there is an extra RTO plate here. So let's go. So let's see how is this car. What is the under the hood of this car? So the from the earlier older A-Class, there is same method to open the bonnet of this car, which is kind of different than other brands of the cars. So there is, you can see a knob here which you have to pull. You can see the arrow here which you have to pull, and then it just gets. Yeah. So hood is open. So this is the 12 cylinder engine, which is is in a V shape, parallel in a V shape. So therefore it is called a V6 engine. Well, sorry, 12 cylinder. It's a 6 cylinder. And yeah, well, you can see battery, carburetor, the water pan here. Does not need water now. So let's go. Close the boot. Now let's get inside the car. So yeah, firstly I will start from here. So there is a head restraint here, which you can. Nothing happens here. Yeah, we can change the seat. You can see this seat is going back, some up and down. The seat is going back. You can see here how the seat goes, and well, these are the normal features which every car has, but in this car it's all electric, not like normal cars. We can take the seat up from back side, even from front side, just how we want it. And yeah, so there is this M1, 2 and 3. These are the three driving modes which a person needs. Well, I will touch the first one. Nothing happened because I will take it manual. No, wait, manual. Well, the driving modes I have changed it earlier also, so nothing is happening now. And yeah, these are the you can say the rear view mirror changes, and we can change here. You can like switch. See. We can change it just as what we want, just how we want it. So now I'm like perfect with this one. Now I have done this one. I will now change that one. See that now. You can see that the mirror is moving just how you want it. Now I want this one, so I have set it. Now let's see now. We have seen everything here, and now the every Mercedes car has the different handing the handbrake system. Well, now I have released the handbrake. You can see the light has came now. Now if I just release this from here, we have to release the brake from here and press the handbrake from here, from down here. You can see that pedal. Well, 3 paddles there are: accelerator pedal, brake pedal, and this one. All the automatic cars, normal automatic cars have these 2 pedals, but in Mercedes only in Mercedes, there is this third pedal, which is handbrake, which we have to when we have to press the handbrake, we have to press from there, and when we have to release it, we have to release it from here. See, the light has gone. Now I'll show you the automatic system it has. Well, you can see here it is C dash S. Well, it's C means comfort, S means sport. Well, you can see that here it has C. Well, when I press this button, it goes on S. You can see how it changed. Now I'll again change it to C. See. So it has parking, reverse, neutral, and drive. Yeah, you can you can change it to manual also. When we have to change it manual, I can show you 1 minute. See, now I just turn this on this pedal left. It goes in first gear. Again I changed it. Now it will not get changed, but see, it's in second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Only 6 gear it has. So this is how you have to change it. Now there is one button here, off of P. Well, P means Parketronics. First I will so it is Parketronics here. Well, Parketronics are the sensors here in all the 4 wheels here. So when a person or an object comes near here, it gives a noise here, which very irritating when anyone is driving this car. So so there is some storage spaces, very good in storage spaces this car. 1, 2, and you can see here also 3. Here it does not, it does not have that. Okay, does not have one glow box here. Well, it is quite small. And here also there is one storage. So much storage system is there in this car, as you can see. Now let's take this car for a drive now. 1 minute, I will show the music system here, how it works. Well, it's in parking. So now this is a CD changer, and CD, there is no CD in this car. Now there is CD changer. It is CDC means it's CD changer. And you can change the tracks from here, whichever you want. There is one CD in here which shows, and there is radio, normal. I have set it to 104.2. And now we can lock this car here only. The car is locked now. And there is we can head restraints here, which now are back, but when they are up here, like in this position, back. So when we press this button, it goes down. Now it's down. I will show you afterwards how it is. And this mode I also don't have knowledge about. There is a temperature control here. 1 minute, I will show you 1 minute. I have changed it to 23. Well, I kept it normal in AC. And we can go it in manual also. We can go in manual also, and you can off it also. and there is two modes. You can go by two modes here. You can go by automatic, or just take it anywhere. You can take down also. Yes, see. Now there is air also, down also here. So well, these are all the normal features now. Now let's take a ride. It has also cruise control, which you can minimum limit is 40 kilometer per hour. From there you can lift the speed like in the interval of 10 kilometer per hour, and even you can brake. There is no there is cruise control in each and other car, but each and every other car, but not in the. We can even brake the car from like 10 kilometer -10 we can brake it. That's not in any every other car. So let's go. Let's take it for a ride. First, yeah. I will get in my comfortable position. I am ready to drive this car.
Music.
Okay, so let's go. So this car is really good in pickup, like really I cannot even compare to any other car. Really good, like it's like a jet, well you can say, really like a jet engine. It goes like really like rocket when goes out from the atmosphere, really it feels like that. I kept the lights on now. Well, you can see the pickup is so strong that my camera will get moving. Will be moving. Because my camera pan is really scared about speed. It goes, really goes like it's really smooth, like really smooth. We can say pickup it has. You can see.
It
Goes on. Good suspension it has. It's really a comfortable car. And yeah, this you can see there is a Jaguar there, XJS. Well, our car is not less than that car. I can guarantee that. Well, I did not tell the time. It's now almost 6 o'clock in evening. The windows are really soundproof that we cannot hear the horn of the car inside. But it's really loud outside. Like people get scared when I just press this. Well, I am gonna take a fast run here. So I will pray my camera and does not shout here. She really